Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster claws updated. Start by selecting live or fresh claws, then chill them briefly to firm the meat. Use kitchen shears along the underside to free the shell, crack carefully to keep meat intact, and cook with salted boiling water or steam for a short time to avoid overcooking. Finish with melted butter, lemon, and chopped herbs for bright flavor and elegant plating. In this video, I will show how to make lobster claws updated. After cutting the shell, remove the dark vein and rinse gently, then decide between boiling or steaming based on your equipment and preference. Time: cook for 6 to 8 minutes for medium claws and adjust slightly for larger sizes. Use a thermometer if you like precision, aiming for tender, opaque meat. Pat dry, brush with butter, and serve warm. In this video, I will show how to make lobster claws updated. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy clean, fresh aromas while prepping seafood, consider Little Tree's black ice for your car to keep drives pleasant between markets. It pairs nicely with the coastal mood when transporting fresh claws home. If you are finding this helpful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make lobster claws updated. Make a few simple sauces to suit different tastes. Try classic clarified butter with lemon, a garlic herb butter, or a bright citrus vinaigrette for contrast. Warm the claws briefly before serving to ensure the butter stays melted. Arrange with lemon wedges and herbs for color. Suggest pairing with a crisp white wine or chilled sparkling water to complement richness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.